Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 1 of our mensuration lesson. Now coming to the 9th sum, the cross section of a canal is in the form of a trapezium. जहाँ पानी जाता है वैसा वाला कैनाल का क्रॉस सेक्शन, मतलब ऐसे पानी जाता है तो दिस वे, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ क्रॉस सेक्शन. It is in the shape of a trapezium. Usually circular रहता है, but this is a trapezium. If the top of the canal is 15 meter and bottom is 8 meter, मतलब ऊपर का ज्यादा है, नीचे का छोटा है. So इसके लिए the figure is reversed, isn't it? Inverted. So the top is 15 meter and bottom is 8 meter and the area of the cross section is 138 meter square. Find the depth. देखो पानी में नीचे कितना है तो तभी हम डेप्थ बोलते हैं, but it is the height. With respect to the trapezium, we have to find out the height. Okay, what is the shape? Trapezium. Now area, how much they have told? It is 138 meter square. Then A is given as 8 meter and B is given as 15 meter. What they have asked? H is equal to how much? Same method. Area of trapezium is equal to, what is the formula? Half into A plus B into height. 138 is equal to half into 8 plus 15 into height. 138 is equal to half into 8 plus 15. 8, 9, 10, 3 plus 1 plus 1, 2 into height. H is equal to 138 into 2 upon 23. Isn't it? Into 2 upon 23. Now 23 is a prime number. Check whether 23 in 23 3 how much are 8 ending 3 6 are 18, so try 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 13, so it is 138. So that means 23 1s are 23 6 are. So H is equal to 6 2s are 12. It is a meter. तो 23 प्राइम नंबर है तो बड़ा नंबर कैसे देखने का? ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो. 3 के टेबल में एंडिंग 8 कहाँ आता है तो वैसे फाइंड आउट करने का है. कैलकुलेशन इम्पॉर्टेंट है ये लेसन में. Answer: the depth of the canal is 12 meter. Okay. Now coming to the 10th sum. The 10th sum, two parallel sides of a parallel trapezium are 58 centimeter and 42 centimeter. The other two sides are of equal length, which is 17 centimeter. And find the area of the trapezium. Remember the example 3, बड़ा वाला सम. इधर हाइट नहीं दिया है, we have to find out the height, that type of sum. So the bigger side that is A is equal to 58 centimeter. The smaller, this is 42 centimeter. The other two sides are equal, this and this. It is a 17 centimeter. तो पहले सिर्फ आप लोग ये ट्रेपेजियम ड्रॉ करने का है, फिर आप लोग ये सीई ड्रॉ करने का है ना। सम में कैसे करते हैं, ए बी इज गिवन, सी डी इज गिवन and AD and CB are given, but we have to find out the height, we don't know. So for that what we have to do, first construct CE parallel to AD, then AECD, it becomes a parallelogram. So CE will be 17 centimeter, opposite sides of the parallelogram. So AE will be equal to DC, that or CD, that is 42 centimeter. So EB will be how much? EB will be 58 minus 42. 8 minus 2 is 6 and 5 minus 4 is 1. You got 16 centimeter. Now next step is draw CF perpendicular to EB. This is perpendicular. That is why in the isosceles triangle CEB, the altitude bisects the base into two equal halves. So this and this, they will be equal. 16 का हाफ कितना है, 8 सेंटीमीटर। ठीक है, अभी ये हाइट चाहिए, इसके लिए टेक द राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल CFB. This is 90 degree perpendicular. So in the right angle triangle CFB, CB squared, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to base squared plus the height square. From that, by the Pythagoras theorem, find out a CF square. Shall we write? What all we have to do? First, trapezium shape. Write the trapezium. Now AB, A is equal to, AB is equal to 58 centimeter. B, that is CD, is equal to 42 centimeter. Now AD is equal to BC is equal to 17 centimeter. They have asked you to find out area is equal to how much, but for that we want height. So first find out height is equal to how much. The first step is what? Construct CE parallel to AD. Therefore, CE is equal to AD is equal to 17 centimeter. AE is equal to CD is equal to 42 centimeter. Why? Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Okay. Now AE you got. Now you have to find out EB. EB is equal to AB minus AE. AB is how much? 58 minus AE, how much you got? 42. 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. So you got 16 centimeter. This. Now next step, what is it? Draw CF. Draw CF perpendicular to EB. Now, in isosceles triangle CEB, altitude CF bisects base EP. Therefore, EF is equal to FB is equal to half of EB. That is, half of EB is 16. 2 ones are 2 eights are. You got 8 centimeter. Now the third step. In right angled triangle CFB, you got CB is equal to 17, FB is equal to 8 and CF how much? So, by Pythagoras theorem, CB squared is equal to CF squared plus FB squared. CB squared is equal to CF squared plus FB squared. CB squared is 17 squared is equal to CF squared. We have to find out plus FB squared, that is 8 squared. Now 17 squared, how much? 289 is equal to CF squared plus 64. So CF squared is equal to 289 minus 64. So CF squared is equal to 9 minus 4 5, 8 minus 6 2 and 2. Therefore CF is equal to square root of 225 is equal to 15 centimeter. So you got CF. Now you have to write A is equal to how much? 58 centimeter. B is equal to 42 centimeter. And you got H is equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, area CF is H. Remember. So, area of trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into height. So, half into 58 plus 42 into height 15. Half into 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10 into 15. 2 ones are 2 50s are 100, 15 5s are 75 and 0 centimeter square. 750 centimeter square. Answer: area of the given trapezium is 750 centimeter square. Hope all students are confident. Before finding the area, you have got 3 steps, and last step is the area. So first, understand the sum. 2 parallel sides are given. Height is not given. They have told the other 2 sides are equal. Means the non-parallel sides are equal. That means it is an isosceles trapezium. So in that case, to find out the height, first of all, first step is construct CE parallel to AD. So in that case, the CE will be equal to AD 17 centimeter. AE will be equal to CD 42 centimeter, because this AECD is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. Then EB is equal to 58 minus 42. This full minus AE. So you got 60. Now the next step is draw CF perpendicular to EB in isosceles triangle CEB, because these 2 sides are equal. That's why it becomes an isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle, तो जब भी 2 sides equal है तो isosceles triangle है. तो आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल में द आल्टीट्यूड फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स, मतलब ये 2 इक्वल साइड्स जहाँ जॉइन होते हैं, उधर से जो आल्टीट्यूड बेस को ड्रॉ करते हैं, दैट डिवाइड्स द बेस इनटू 2 इक्वल हाफ्स. दैट इज वाई A16 का हाफ होगा, दैट इज 8 ईच. तो अभी ये छोटा ट्रायंगल है, दैट इज द राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, क्योंकि इधर परपेंडिकुलर है. So that means 90 degree. So in right angle triangle CFB, by Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus the height square. So उससे आप लोग CF find out करोगे. CF is the height. So put the formula and put the values and find the area. Is it clear? So we have completed 10 sums of a worksheet 1 related to trapezium. Hope all students are confident. Bye. Thank you. All the best.